Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back. I hope you had a good weekend. Guys, this week we're going to review for the test. All right, we've been looking at linear systems of equations. That's what we've been looking at. That's what the test is on, okay? If you guys remember, a systems of linear equations, it's two linear equations working together. Look, it can be more than two, but we're just looking at two. Okay, two equations, and with two variables, x and y. So we can graph it on a coordinate plane. Guys, the solution to a system of two linear equations, you can describe it kind of three different ways. It's the intersection of the two lines. All right? It's usually one point, unless it's the same line, so it's all the points. That's where the two lines cross, where they intersect on a graph. Or number two, you can just basically say it's the point that the two lines have in common. And another way to describe it is the ordered pair, the xy coordinate that makes both of the equations true. Okay, that's the intersection of the two lines. That xy coordinate makes both equations true. All right, again, just to review, we looked at three different methods to solve systems of equations. We graphed them, found out where they crossed. We used Desmos a lot. And guys, it's okay to use Desmos on the test. All right, we solved by substitution, and we solved by elimination. If you remember, substitution was when one equation was already solved for one of the variables, and elimination was when we had an additive inverse. Like this one, if we added up these two equations, the y variable would disappear, because negative 2y and positive 2y is an additive inverse, okay? Also, if you guys remember, when we graphed it, if the two lines cross at one point, they have one solution. And that's usually what happens. If the two lines are the same line, all right, there's infinite solutions. It's one line on top of the other. And if the two lines are parallel, then there are no solutions because they never intersect. All right, they have the same slope, but they have a different y-intercept. Now, algebraically, when they have no solution, what happens? As you're solving the systems of equations, the variables disappear. They eliminate each other. If the final equation is false, all right, then the lines are parallel and there's no solution. If you look at this one over here, it comes to the bottom, it says 3 equals 7. That's false. So there's no solution. The lines are parallel. And again, algebraically, if you're solving the systems of equations and the variables, both of them are eliminated. They both disappear. If that final equation is true, then there are infinite solutions. Right? The lines are the same. Again, in this example, you get to the end, it says 24 equals 24. That's true. They're the same line. I just want to do one quick example. Right? 2x plus y equals 7. And x minus 2y equals 6. I looked at that one, I said, well, there's y right there. If I could just solve for that y in the green, I could substitute. So that's what I did. I subtracted 2x from both sides, follow the arrow up here. So I rewrote the green equation like this. And this is a copy of the brown equation. I just copied it over right here. Now I can rewrite this brown equation right here. X minus 2y. I substitute the value in for y that we have in the green equation up on top. Again, it equals 6. I can distribute the negative 2 over both equations. Combine like terms. Divide both by 5, and I got x equals 4. Then I can take this equation, this green one on the top right here. I rewrite it right down here. And then substitute x equals 4 in the second equation. So instead of negative 2x, I write negative 2, 4. I can multiply that out. Y equals negative 1. Okay, 4 and negative 1. Guys, again, you can always use Desmos for this too. It's okay with me. I just wanted to do one algebraically. Just one more example. All right, right now, you guys, please fill out the notes assignment and complete the summary. It's in the green folder. Okay. There is no vocabulary assessment today. However, please listen. Guys, the exit ticket today is very important. It's a practice test. And it's worth 20 points, 20 exit ticket points, so it's worth a lot. It's similar to the test that we're going to be taking at the end of this week. So I want you to do well on it. It's the same number of problems in the same order, the same style. And we'll look at a little bit in the second Zoom meeting here today. So prepare for the second Zoom meeting too. We're going to be going over both those assignments, and we'll look at the exit ticket quick. And guys, wear a pair of glasses. You know, wear a pair of funny glasses or cool sunglasses, whatever you want to do. So turn on your camera. We're going to take another picture, okay? All right, that's it. Thanks.